And you really, oh God, I like how that look. Hello, it's a girl Shorty and I'm back with another creation, and as you can tell from the title, today we will be attempting to stick on nails, right? Now I am not a professional, but we're gonna chill, we're gonna chat it up, we're gonna do this together. We're gonna do this together. All I'm doing is opening the pack right now. What the hell? Right. Get that out of the way. Let's set this camera up so you all can see me. Right. So this is my nail glue. As you can tell from the other video, I got this from my Pennywise haul. So if you didn't see that video, go check it out. Go check it out. Yes, honey. So what you want to do first of all, I tried it already. It's really good. What you want to do is you want to take your nail that out of the pack. Now I'm gonna start with my pinky face. I'm gonna take your nail glue. Now I think the instructions say, because I showed you the instructions, but what the chill is this? Yes. So I think the instructions say I had to put some glue on your finger. No, ma'am. No, what is going on here? Madness, guys. What the? So yeah, so you put some glue on your finger. Y'all can see that? Right, and then you want to put some glue on the thing, on the nail itself. Then all you want to do is you want to take the nail, put it on your finger and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how it looks. Now my hand Harrell glue, look at that. All of that is glue. So don't be like me, don't put too much. Right? So that was really good. So we're gonna do the other finger next. Oh, this is dangerous. We're gonna do the other finger next. What did chill? Why this thing looking crazy? Well, I'm trying to find a nail that fit in it, because like this thing, I don't know if y'all could see that it have like different sizes, and I'm just basically trying to find a nail that fit whichever finger. You know, you're supposed to file on the sides, but I'm not finding a nail file. Well, it'll be like me, get your nail file, organize yourself. So basically all you want to do is repeat the same thing. You put in a little bit of glue on your finger, and then you put in a little bit of glue on the nail itself, right? And you're just taking it, oh god, and you're sticking it right onto the nail and you're holding it for 5 to 10 seconds. 5 to 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, it's supposed to be secure there. 2 fingers on. I'm already a baddie. This finger feeling real. Right. Anyways, on to the next finger, right? As I said, what you want to do? Oh, my elbow. Anyways, what you want to do? Boom. Put your glue on your finger all over. Make sure it happens. Oh shit, I should have. Anyways, put the glue on the nail. Right. I want to do, you're fitting it on to the nail and you're holding it there for how long? Let me hold it for how long? For how long? 5 to 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you really, oh god, I like how that look. Look at that. What is it not? Look at this space. All of this one have no space, and then this one has come out as stupid. Take that off. We're doing it again. Right. Organize this nail into. Hold up. Let me fit it to see which one is the best size for this nail, because I really not doing that, and you know that's not good. Right, I find a good nail for the size. So we're going to do it again. So make sure you try to fit all the nails. Make sure it fits an onion thing. Make sure it's looking good. Secure yourself before you stick it on, ma'am. Also, no judgment here. You understand? All love in the house. Yes, ma'am. So, then I put the glue. I just put the glue on my finger. So now we're going to put the glue on the nail itself. Boom. And, oh shit. So stick it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How that look? So I'm gonna do these 2 fingers on camera, and then I'm gonna do this hand off camera. So yeah, we're moving on to this finger. Make sure it fits in. Make sure you fit the nail. You pick up the nail, you see if it can fit on the nail comfortably. It's not looking too big, it's not looking too small. Now, there is an option of you shaving on the sides to make it better fit your nails. But as I said before, I cannot find my nail file. You should probably get a nail file when you're doing this, because it just makes sense. Don't be like me. So, as I said, you're sticking on the glue. You're putting the glue on your finger. And then you're putting this on the nail, the glue on the nail, and then you're sticking it on like always, and then you're holding it for how long? 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2. This person drilling whatever they're drilling while I'm making my video, no sir. Disrespectful. Get it together. Still hold it down. This one come out a little good, a little twist, but we will work with that, right? And I gotta scrape myself. Honey, how do y'all do this on a daily? I'm gonna check out my face. Anyways, I'm gonna do the last finger, and then I'm gonna do this finger off camera. I'm gonna check y'all. Oh gosh, it almost fall off. Got anyways, right, so you stick, so as I said before, you're gonna boom. Now I'm a left-hander, so a lot of you are gonna be wondering, why did she do her right hand first? I'm a left-hander, so it just makes sense for me to do my right hand first. Dog! Hello! Hello! Guys, I will come back when that dog stop acting like a dog. Right, guys, I'm back. That dog stopped barking finally, so I already finished this hand, and I'm going on to this hand. So yeah, I'll come back when both hands are done. Right, guys. I'm gonna fix the chair. Alright, guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I've done all my nails, all of them. Let me see if y'all could see this hand will always forever be messy, because I'm a left-hander, and if you know, like when you're good at doing things on one hand, it's gonna be difficult to try to do the same thing on the same hand. So yeah, so this is how it looks. I actually like how it looks. I don't think I want to put a color on it quite yet. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I feel like a boss. Let me open this Oreo. Jeez. Yeah. Right. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, love me, text me, message me on Instagram, all that good jazz. Let me know how it looks. Join Hottie Squad one time. And let me know what video you want to see next. On my next video though, I will be testing out different gels and doing a hairstyle with these nails on my natural hair. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys soon. See you guys soon.
No.